Hello viewers, I am Azam Ghani, the founder of Menteso IP and Executive Director of the International Intellectual Property Law Association. In this video, I'll tell you why and how to automate processes in your IP law firm. This is the fifth video in our series of videos where I am sharing the information on how to start and run an IP law firm. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and to save the playlist so that you do not miss any video from this series. Before we get started, you can watch our last video by clicking on the link in the description in which we discuss how to grow a solo IP law firm into a small law firm. Let's just start with the topic. First, we need to understand why to automate. We are already in the third decade of the internet age, which is going to be all about artificial intelligence, and we cannot expect to take the full potential of it if we do not include it in our daily life and business. Automation has been one of the blessings of artificial intelligence for businesses, as it does not only sound cool but also help you save time and money. Most industries today have potential for automation, and IP industry is no exception. You need to find potential automation opportunities, and at the beginning of your journey it becomes even more crucial to automate as many things as possible. It will save your time from the things that can be done with the help of automation, and you along with your team can focus on the things that are important for your business and require manual efforts. The automation of tasks also reduces the chances of human error and makes the processes more efficient. Another advantage of automation is that it improves the experience of your clients, resulting in better client retention. Now, next question is what to automate. Let's explore the potentials of automations in all the processes. In our last video, we talked about how John should divide his team into 5 verticals, which include lawyers, paralegals, admin staff, marketing team, and sales team. What you actually need to do is you need to automate the processes of each team and reduce the burden of everyone in the team so that you use as few man hours as possible. We can have the following 7 automations. 1. Client onboarding automation. The client onboarding automation starts with the client relationship management software. You can define processes and checklists in the CRM to ensure that you take exactly the same steps again and again for each client. Number 2, the client communication automation. You can automate email communication easily with softwares like ConvertKit or MailChimp for connecting with your prospective clients. You can create email sequences even for years so that you are always in communication with your clients. Number 3, documents automation. Document automation software asks simple questions to the lawyers and paralegals, and in return, the software prepares ready to use documents. You do not have to go through each document manually. This, of course, reduces the chances of error and increases efficiency. Number 4, invoicing automation. You can save the efforts of admin staff with invoicing and collection automation. You can have a process that generates automatic invoices and sends follow-ups for collection automatically. It will help you in reducing the admin staff or utilizing the admin staff more efficiently. Number 5, client feedback automation. Once the invoice is sent, you can generate processes that will automatically send feedback requests to the clients to continuously improve your client's experience. Number 6, marketing automation. There are endless potential for automation here. You can automate almost everything in marketing, and it can also help you keep the marketing and sales team in sync. You ideally connect all your marketing tools with CRM and other processes. Number 7, sales automation. You can create sales pitch videos and market them using the advertising platforms, and those advertising platforms will be connected with your lead generation process and CRM. After that, your other processes will follow. If you're able to achieve it, then sky's the limit for your revenue. Now, another question comes up: how to automate? There are different software programs out there to help lawyers and paralegals related to an IP firm. There are softwares for case management, prosecution management, and documents management, etc. So how do we start with the automation? First and foremost, we need to find what automation to start with. You have got 7 automation process ideas as I just discussed. you can plan to start with anyone. You'll naturally get connected with other processes. Nevertheless, the first process I always suggest is the client onboarding automation. Second, we need to procure relevant softwares for specific automation. There are many softwares out there. For example, Zapier that connects different databases with each other, like your Google spreadsheet with your CRM. I also mentioned softwares like MailChimp and ConvertKit for email marketing automation. So you need to choose softwares as per the automation process needs. Third, and the most important in how to automate is to monitor and analyze results, efficiency, and improve accordingly. You can't improve what you can't measure. That's a simple rule. You must monitor your process improvement so that you strengthen your process with each iteration. I hope this video gave you a good picture of the automation in an IP law firm. That's all for this video. I will talk more about automation as we deep dive into each process and each type of automation in our next videos. Make sure to comment down if I have missed any of the topics. You can also leave your questions in the comments box and I will make sure to answer them all in the next video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you do not miss any video from this series. I'll see you guys next week with a new video. Till then, take care.